Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taimur Aslam and I'm a student of Electronics Engineering Department, Georgia Texla. The topic of my presentation is electricity theft detection using empirical mode decomposition and k nearest neighbors. The process includes four steps. The first one is the introduction, the second one is the materials and methods, the third one is the results, and the fourth one is the conclusion. In the introduction section, I will tell you about the motivation behind the project, the objectives of the project, and the literature that have been published earlier. In the motivation, I will tell you why electricity is important. Electricity is a substantial blessing that science has given to human race. Electricity is an essential necessity of our life. From the time we get up in the morning to the bedtime, we depend heavily on electricity. Can't imagine our world without electricity. It not only plays a major role in our homes but also in the industries, communication systems, transportation departments, etc. Electricity plays a major role in the field of surgery and medicine such as X-rays and ECGs. In a nutshell, it has a noticeable importance in every aspect of your modern life. The demand of electricity is steadily increasing from past 10 years, which calls for the production of more electricity to meet the needs of mankind. Electricity losses occur during production, transmission, and distribution. The most important non-technical loss include electricity theft. Electricity theft is a serious problem that causes great monetary loss. It is a criminal practice of stealing electricity by means of power tampering, meter fraud, or meter hacking. In a country like Pakistan, where the consumption of electricity is very high than its production, it is very bad for the economy. Pakistan is ranked 35th out of 215 countries in the electricity consumption ranking with a consumption of 92.33 billion kilowatt hour during year 2016. Proper steps should be taken against the thieves. Here Pakistan stands with 92.33 billion kilowatt hour consumption. And 53 billion rupees was the estimated cause of power theft in Pakistan during the year 2017 and 18, and it is a very big number considering the economic conditions of the country. The objective was to devise a system that could detect the possible electricity thieves in an area so that proper steps should be taken against them. I will tell you about the literature that have been published earlier. In 2017, a simplified version of sport vector machine was designed. Sport vector machine with genetic algorithm develops a fusion method for investigation of non-technical loss and provide an automatic support to govern the electricity theft. In the same year, a new privacy-preserving electrical metering system for smart grid, which ropes privacy data collection, range-based filtering, fault linear at once. Similarly, in 2018, sport vector machine classified with data mining method were used to eliminate this problem. The dataset was taken from smart grid deployment in Ireland. The fake consumer and faulty smart meters can be efficiently regulated with proposed method. Another paper was published explained framework of energy theft detection using artificial neural networks. Large volume of historical data to train ANNs is used in this methodology. The proposed framework could detect energy theft under different scenarios. Privacy preserving electricity theft detection framework incorporated screen fine grained meter values. Accuracy of scheme was assured by the results. Sport vector machines, gradient boosting method, random forest was established using data provided by RS customer behavior trials. Notable performance improvements were shown by the results. In the same year, an RNN-based electricity theft detection, which stands for Deep Recurrent Neural Network, was designed using openly available real data of 200 customers from 1 lakh days of energy expenditure. Coming to the materials and methods. First, I will tell you about my dataset. The dataset was provided by State Grid Corporation of China. There were two classes, real and fake. The total number of customers were 42,372. Number of normal electricity customers were 38,757 and the number of electricity thieves were 3,615. The data was recorded between 1st January 2014 to 31st October 2016. We employed pre-processing techniques such as interpolation because there were certain missing values in the dataset that were causing troubles for us and it was affecting the accuracy. Then for the breaking down of signal, we use empirical mode decomposition because we didn't knew the shape of the signal, so it was the best. It gave us the intrinsic mode function. It was very good also because it helps us break down the signal while remaining in the time domain. As I have told earlier that there is a huge class difference between the real and the fake users. There were approximately 38,000 real users and 3,000 fake users. So the classes must be balanced to get the correct results. For this purpose, we use adaptive synthetic technique, ADASYN. This is the samples, and you can clearly see the difference between the theft and the normal. These are the features that gave us the maximum accuracy: mean, standard deviations, peak to peak sparseness, total harmonic distortion, log energy, waveform length ratio, spectral decrease, crest factor, average frequency, mean absolute deviation, energy entropy. Classification purpose. For the classification purpose, we use the k nearest neighbors, as they are best for regression classification problems. How they work? They work by storing all the existing cases, and on the basis of similarities such as distant functions, it classifies new cases. It's very much faster than support vector machine and very much easy to use. Now coming to the results. What is the accuracy of a project? Now this is a comparison of classifiers. We have used many classifiers, but we got maximum results from fine KNN, and all the KNN family performed really well. This is a comparison of only the KNN family, and you can see the fine KNN has delivered the best results. This is a confusion matrix. This is a scatter plot. Now coming to the conclusion. As I have told earlier, that the cost of electricity theft in Pakistan was very huge, 53 billion rupees during the year 2017 and 18. So it was a very large number, and it can be very hazardous for the economy. So something should have been done. So I devised a system that could detect the possible electricity thieves in an area with an accuracy of 91%, and I think that this system will help a lot in controlling electricity theft. In further progress can be made by availability of any other data set that does not contain missing values and that has the balance of the classes. These are the references. Thank you for your time.